humanity has finally found a planet suitable for life. As the massive spaceship descends through the swirling clouds, its engines roar against the alien sky. The terrain below is rugged yet promising, dotted with strange vegetation and shimmering minerals. With careful precision, the ship lands, sending small plumes of dust into the atmosphere, signaling the beginning of a new chapter for humanity. The team steps out, surveying the land where they plan to settle. The colony area is wild, overgrown, and littered with debris from the planet's untamed nature. As they start cleaning and clearing the terrain, they notice swarms of small alien ants skittering around, curious and aggressive. Every corner of the colony is alive, reminding them that this world has its own rulers. With determination, the humans begin setting up their base. Tents and shelters rise, equipment hums to life, and supply drones hover overhead. Life slowly takes shape. Solar panels, water purifiers, and communication arrays are installed. The team works together, creating a small beacon of civilization amidst the alien wilderness, hoping to carve a safe haven on this foreign planet. One day, a massive shadow sweeps across the colony. A giant ant, towering over their structures, bursts from the forest. Weapons roar as the humans engage, coordinating fire to take down the monstrous creature. Dust and debris fly, the alien screech echoing through the valley, until finally the giant ant falls. For a moment, there is relief, but the team knows this planet holds deeper dangers. Suddenly, more giant ants emerge, flooding the base from every direction. The humans fight valiantly using barricades, energy weapons, and clever tactics to hold their ground. But the sheer number overwhelms them. Some structures are damaged, alarms blare, and panic rises. The colony stands on the edge of chaos, struggling to survive against relentless alien forces. As night falls over the battered colony, the humans regroup and tend to the wounded. The alien threat has only grown, and the battle is far from over. Shadows move in the distance, hinting at even greater dangers. Their story on this planet is just beginning to be continued.